Got my first stress 6 string, only 85 and dime, playing to my friend to play.